Namaskar, my name is Sauram Nanda. It's such a beautiful sunny day and it's also the World Mental Health Day. And today, regarding that World Mental Health Day, we're doing a few activities. Now, usually I make this introductory video a few days before, the number of activities that I'm going to do. But this week was so hectic that I could not spare time to make a video about what we're going to do, and because so many things had to be planned and executed. First of all, regarding the Mental Health Day, the first time I attended an event based on the Mental Health Day, World Mental Health Day, 10th of October, was way back in 2014 when I was nearing the completion of my internship at the Department of Psychiatry in Sir Gangaram Hospital under the supervision of Dr. Aarti Anand. And that particular day, Sir Gangaram Hospital had organized an event about schizophrenia and how to challenge the myths associated with schizophrenia in the Indian society. It was targeted towards people to create awareness, especially towards those people who never really considered mental illness in a very scientific perspective. They still think that it is taboo. So it was a wonderful eye-opening discussion. I wrote a small article on it as well. I'm sharing that link below. On top of that, as all of you know, I've been doing a podcast with Dr. Aarti Anand, and we've discussed mental health issues during lockdown, cyberbullying, and domestic abuse issues during lockdown. So today, I'm reposting that episode about the Instagram voice locker case, where we discuss the impact of our patriarchal society and social media on our children and their behavior. So please do watch that. It's going to be live around 12:30 noon India time. Then at 3:30 p.m. We are having a wonderful discussion we do this weekly discussion on the Approaching the New Normal Education Forum, which I and a bunch of other amazing educators from different walks of life have created, and we discuss things which other education forums are just not discussing. So today's discussion is about student suicides in India, and the theme has been rightly chosen because of the World Mental Health Day. We're going to discuss why they happen, how many suicides have been happening, what are the different reasons apart from academics, social media pressure, social pressure, and so many other things are going to be there. Please do attend that. It's going to be live on YouTube at 3:30 p.m. And you can just go on YouTube and search Approaching the New Normal and you'll find it. I'm also providing the link below though. Then, apart from these activities, I've started writing blogs and articles about mental health, which should be coming out in the next week or so, and I hope to reach out more and more people with that so that they can use that information to improve their lives. Please remember, mental health is just as important, if not more important, than your physical health. Now, there's another very important thing that we're doing today. It's a project which is very close to my heart, and my fellow educators Ankit Kapoor and Jivani Singh Kapoor, they have been kind enough to create and provide this opportunity through Pratham Education to create a forum where we are discussing the actual implementation of things related to our education systems. And we are discussing about the future of blended learning, hybrid learning in the Indian classroom. So when tomorrow the pandemic gets over and everything returns back to kind of a normal, and students start going back to classes, teachers are going back to classes, what are the things which will be involved in creating a good hybrid learning environment in the classroom? How are teachers going to take it forward? Physical infrastructure, the teacher training aspect, and so many other things. So we are discussing these things with people who actually implement such things and new ideas in their classrooms, and they've been doing that for decades now. So we're inviting some veterans of the industry, Mrs. Vinita Sehgal, who's from the Delhi Public School Society, then Mrs. Vandana Chawla, who is the principal of New Era School, and Mr. T. Prem Kumar, who is the principal of Indian Education School in Kuwait. They have agreed graciously to be part of this particular webinar. Now, why are these people important? These people are really important because they are the ones who implement things, and then their models, what they have done at school, their models are used by education boards like CBSE and even people at the Ministry of Education to create better policies for the students and schools across the country. Now, why are we discussing this? Why is this discussion so different? This discussion is different because A, we are talking about the grassroots level implementation of blended learning. B, because for a lot of educators across the country in India, whether they be teachers, principals, policymakers, there is no real set experiential learning, resource available for them to start implementing things at their school. They don't know how exactly to go about things, because remember, they are educators, they're not technologists. They're not people who have created this idea. They have to implement the idea, and very little resources available from an Indian context where they can implement these things. And that is what we want to create. So after this discussion, we are going to write articles about this so that educators across the country in tier 4, tier 5, tier 6 cities in India, they can start implementing these small things which today's panelists discuss and tell us about blended learning. So that's the general aim, and we're going to have these frequent discussions more and more, and you'll see that again on my social media and other associated social media. So the link is down below. It's 11:30 live on Facebook and YouTube. Please join us. I'll be providing the links below as well. And a happy World Mental Health Day to you. Thank you so much.